Thank you for being such an important part of our story, our journey, and our success. I already know most of you, and that is indeed a testament that you were with us in every milestone that we have accomplished. We truly appreciate all the help that you do para sa ating po lahat ito. Happy holidays and maraming salamat.